Hi everyone, welcome back to Monique's House of Creations, and today I'm going to be bringing you two bowls from Walmart, and I'm going to be making a vase, a decorative vase, and I'm just showing you the cleanup, and I'm using Gorilla Glue. It's like equivalent to the E6000, and right here I'm just going around the rim. I'm not really making sure if water is going to come in. I'm not using it for water actually. So, but I thought it was a good idea, and it could actually be used to put water in and real flowers in. But I wasn't even really thinking about it at that point. But yeah, this is like sort of a good idea. So, I'll be taking my soldering knife, going around the top later on, and I use I spray paint. I use this glitter that I picked up at Walmart. It's supposed to be a metallic glitter paint. It's like white though. But it's really nice. The finish is nice. So, and I just put some mirrors and I just stop it there because I just use this to like put my scrap mesh in, like, leftover bling from a project I just did. And it's just like, you don't want to throw it away and you can use it for something else. So like, that's what the vase that served my purpose. So, but just trying to give you guys like some ideas. You can actually take your decorations further. I just covered up where the bowls met, and I covered up around the end because it was pretty, it didn't come out, no. So it was not good, that circle I put in there. But just, I just covered that up and I was done with it. So you guys can take this further. It doesn't have to be silver. That's my go-to, silver, black. It could be whatever color you want it to be. You could put whatever decorations. You could put bling on it. It doesn't necessarily have to be mirrors. Yeah, rope. It could be, you might have that bohemian thing going and do it brown and put some, rope around it. Lots of things, guys. Just, So thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope this brought you some good ideas and a little inspiration. So guys, I used the Mod Podge to seal in the spray paint, and then I went over it with the glitter paint for just the bling. I used 2 coats of that, and here I am with my mirrors in the E6000 to cover up that ugly hole. Basically camouflage. And I cover up where the bowls meet at with smaller mirror tiles. So guys, just to let you know, the bowls were actually 50 cents a piece. So that was $1 I spent for the bowls. And basically from there, whatever decorations you add. So it was a pretty cheap DIY to begin with, and very easy to assemble. As you can see, it took a couple of hours once I decided what I wanted to put on it. But with just adding the bowls together and spray painting, that took no time whatsoever. So basically, it's just basically what you're going to end up with and what you want to put on it after the fact. And guys, if you do this, please, I would love to see it, and you could drop a comment and the pictures down below. I do appreciate you guys watching. And if you do enjoy this video and like it, please like and subscribe. I really would appreciate it. And guys, like I said, I finished it right here. So I'm just going to show the finishing. And thanks for watching. Bye.